Christopher. So I'll be showing you how to go about the annual dues. So firstly, you come right up here where we have annual dues, then click right on it. After clicking on the annual dues, then you'll be brought down to this page, and the next thing you click on is add to cart, which is here. Then this will come right here that annual dues has been added to your cart. Then the next thing you do is you click on view cart. So after you click on view cart, then be brought down to this page, and the next thing you do is you come right to this place where we have proceed to checkout. Then click on it. After you click on proceed to checkout, then be brought down to this page, and the next thing you need to do is to fill in your details here. Give your details. After filling all your details here, which is your first name, your last name, your address, your apartment, your country, your city, and the rest, then you come here, you click on place order. So after clicking on it, then we brought down to this page where you'll be allowed to fix in your card number, your card expiry, and your CVV. Then after you're done with it, you click on this green button. Thank you. See you in the next video.